All right, Mitchell. So we've talked about emotions in trading before. Can you just elaborate a little bit more for us on that topic, please?
And so I've said before to trade like a robot and avoid all emotion while trading, but it comes easier to some than others. There's always going to be an emotional factor, no matter how small or large, but use this to your advantage. Take note of which strategies or underlying stocks give you the least amount of stress and use these strategies. So see how your profit and loss affects you emotionally. It's just a good way to manage your trading life, which in turn make your personal life easier to manage and vice versa. So trading can be obviously a very stressful job. So we need to make sure that we're doing everything in our power to mitigate that stress.